Money bang. And we pretty much amazing. Yeah. Mind your manners. You hear me? And all the people should be raising their glasses. Flow crazy, celebrating the madness. I never thought I would deliver no classics. Then I hooked up with them and they delivered no classics. I've been keeping it true. Hotel good, long as I can be from the view. Like, damn, how high are we? You gotta gamble in this life, Charles Ball. I'm overprotected through the dopest of methods. Now my vocal perfected. This is audio breakfast. Yes, I'm telling hater here's the slammer. I know they hating on us, but mind your manners.